Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello po Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March 15 to the 21st. Ayan. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So wag po kayong matakot no sumali sa ating live sessions dahil bababait naman po ang mga tao doon. So okay yung community friendly. Ayan. Madami tayong pag-uusapan. Nandyan po ang finances, job or career. Nandyan po ang romance, of course, for the most numbers of you, kaya kayo nandito. So, different stages, nandyan yung mag-asawa, jowa, no label, no, may mga crushes, or singles na naghahanap, no? Kung merong third party, bakit hindi natin, i-discuss kung lalabas, no? So, don't forget po na to join the raffle, by the way, no? Dahil katatapos lang din ang birthday ko, ang kapwa Pisces, hello. Ayan. So, kung birthday nyo, happy birthday. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng reading sa akin without paying anything, no? So, might as well, sumali kayo. Pero, i-announce ko po yun sa Facebook. So, follow me sa Facebook para at least malaman nyo yung announcement within this week kung gagawin yung announcement, no? So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of it. Take what's only yours. So, ang nakikita natin, bakit ngayon iniisip natin or nagdadalawang isip tayo, ano ba yung uunahin ko? Puso ba o isip? Kasi with the Ace of Swords in here, parang meron tayong gustong ipanalo or parang meron taong gustong bumalik sa atin or this energy wanted to sort of experience us, no? Kaya ko tinatawag na energy kasi this might be an event, a situation, a location, or a specific person. Siguro pinag-iisipan natin, no, medyo matagal-tagal na, bakit hindi ko simulan or subukan muli. Minsan na ginusto, siguro para sa akin din talaga ito. Actually, noon ko pa sinasabi itong Bagyo-Bagyo. So, mamaya po, no, ang aking alis. So, sa mga taga Baguio, I will be there in a few hours. So, baka bukas nandyan na ako. Bigyan nyo naman ako ng pahinga. That's actually my gift to myself. Kaya nandito siya na minsan mong minahal yung lugar, which is Baguio. Hindi ako taga Baguio, okay? Pero I don't know, there's something about Baguio na sobrang mahal ko, no? I fell in love with the place. I always go back there once in a while. And since this is my birthday, why not go there? No, hindi ko talaga actually birthday na, pero birth month. Eh, hindi kasi pwede nung time na yon. So, nag-uulan. Medyo maulan pa rin naman. But then again, I will try, no? At saka mahal kasi nung time na yun, panagbenga. Panagbanga, no? With the Ace of Swords, kaya gusto mong uling i-experience. Which, yeah, with the Hermit in here, medyo matagal-tagal na. So, I want to make it happen, no? So, parang ganun yung siste. Ngayon, kung finances ito, pinag-iisipan mo, gagawin ko ba uli? Kasi medyo matagal-tagal ko nang hindi na experience na magkakaroon o makahawak na malaking pera, no? Bakit hindi ko mausap kaya ako? Pero feeling ko ngayon with the Ace of Swords, tama pa ba, no? Yung puso ko sinasabi yes, pero yung isip ko parang meron ng doubt, no? So when it comes to the career or job rather. So parang gusto kong bumalik sa isang company, no? medyo matagal-tagal nang hindi ko ginagawa. Siguro I shifted from a different, what, job description, but then I wanna go back to it with the King of Wands. I-check ko kaya kung ganun pa rin kaya ang mga sistema, no, kung ganun pa rin kaya ang kalakaran, no. But there's something in me that I really wanted to experience the same energy, no, the same happiness when I was there. Or bago ko pumasok, I would love to know kung ganun pa rin ba kasaya, no. When it comes to romance, ang nakikita ko dito, siguro yung, wait lang ha sa romance, siguro itong mga nag-iibang bansa, no. Gusto ko uling bumalik sa ganitong country dahil um, alam ko maayos, ganyan-ganyan, bla bla, no? Nakapunta ako sa ibang bansa, but I would love to be in that specific country and wanna go back and work there, no? When it comes to romance sa mag-asawa, tinatanong yung sarili, mahal ko pa ba? Magkaibigan na lang ba kami? Kasi parang ang tanong mo dito is, with the Eight of Cups, um, nawala na ba talaga yung passion? Parang roommate na lang ba kami? Kinakausap ko siya, nandun pa ba ang aming, kumbaga, nandun pa ba yung, yes, I know mag-asawa kami. Pero bakit parang nawawala itong init, no? Ang na-experience ko is yung lamig. Wala na ba talagang pag-ibig? Sabi ni Miss Jaya, no? Kung jowa, ganun din. Sa sobrang tagal ba, naging parang maging magkaibigan na lang kayo, no? Nawala dito yung mga dates, nawala dito yung mga happenings, no? Kung single, no, or may mga crush, bakit parang iniisip natin, crush ko pa ba to? Or pinapaasa lang ba ako nito? Kasi what I am seeing, bakit parang nababawasan itong feelings mo dun sa crush mo or dun sa, yan, napupusuan natin, no? Kung no label, parang ang system naman nito is, hanggang dito lang ba kami? Kasi parang feeling ko nung pakakampante na I need some enlightenment, no? I need to know what kind of relationship this is, no? Kailangan ko na ba magsalita? My heart wants to know, no? Ayan. Kung third party, parang ganun din, no? Kailan ka ba mag-stay sa akin? Kailan ka ba, pipirmes dahil ayoko nakashare, di ba? With the Seven of Swords, the Magician, the Hierophant, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. Yes, I know medyo nakakapagod. Meron tayong mga manifestations na parang sinasabi natin dito na tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko with the Seven of Swords or niloloko ko na lang yung sarili ko with the Magician in here. Manifest ako ng manifest. Feeling ko naman tama ang aking mga ginagawa. Yes, nandito ako sa meron akong mga achievements, meron akong mga nakukuha, hindi naman yung 0-0, but with the Four of Swords, parang nakakapagod. Kailan ba talaga etong manifestations ko, no, to happen? I feel like meron tayong nagagawang mali dito, no? Let's clarify this. Bonus ko yan kasi birthday nyo. With the Knight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. The King of Wands and the Queen of Wands is here. So I feel like with the Knight of Pentacles, we're stuck. I think that we need to have a communication with this energy, no? This energy, kaya ako sinasabi again, this might be a person or it could be a spirit, no? Or it could be your higher self, the universe, what have you. So magawa nga to, no? Since I will be having my own time for myself, no, for a few days, bakit hindi, no? Total, I'm gonna go for a spiritual journey anyway, so this is my time to have a link to my higher self. But anyway, kung ito'y finances, no, parang sinasabi mo, tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Kasi na-stuck ako dito. With the Ten of Pentacles, napapagod na ako, pero nandito pa rin ang aking goal. Hindi nawawala. Hindi ako nawawala ng pag-asa, no? So when it comes to the career or job, siguro matagal yung pinag-aantay natin, no? Bakit parang hindi tayo umuusad, nakakapagod na, and it felt robotic, no? Robotic, no? Kapag nandito tayo sa, minsan nila-drag na natin yung sarili natin sa trabaho. So parang kailangan ko naman ng ibang inspiration or, maiba yung mundo, yung galawan ko, no? When it comes to romance, isingit ko lang whether this is for mag-asawa, mag-jowa, single, no label, crushes, third party. I feel like there is age gap. It may be a May-December love affair. It may not be. Kung hindi ito um, numbers ang pinag-uusapan natin, baka maturity, no? Ah, literal, no? Yung matanda ay matured, yung bata ay immature or vice versa, no? Yung matanda ang isip bata, yung bata ang mature, no? Mag-isip. Pwede din itong LGBTQIA+, no? Na relationship. Para sa mag-asawa no, or nag-live-in, ang nakikita natin dito, ganun pa rin naman ang manifestations. Kaso, nakakapagod lang mag-explain or hindi ka na nag-e-explain. Kaya tayo nai-stop. Kaya siguro meron ditong part na hindi tayo nagtatagpo kasi yung isa ayaw na makinig, ayaw na rin makipag-usap. I think no what needs to happen in here is for us to open the communication line para at least naayos. Kasi kayang ayusin with the Hierophant in here no? Kaso wag tayong mapagod mag-explain, wag tayong mapagod na ang unahin natin ay yung ah, sa ikabubuti ng relasyon, no? So, kung magjowa parang gano'n din. Kung nag-usap naman sa magjowa or kahit sa mag-asawa, no, yung sumbatan, yung parang bilangan tayo kung sino yung nagkamali, ayan. Instead of that, siguro I feel like kailangan siguro instead of magbilangan, um, tingnan natin kung saan tayo, yung take ownership, no, taking responsibility for the outcome of it. And then, take responsibility to take action as well, no? Para maayos itong flow ng energy. I feel like it just requires a few parang tweaking, no? Katulad nga, communication is key, no? With the no label, I feel like ito din, kailangan nyo na mag-usap. Kasi hindi pwedeng ganito lang tayo, naka-stuck tayo, ikaw pagod ka na, yung isa siguro masaya, pero ikaw pagod na. No, this, kahit no label yan, that's still a connection, no? And it should be reciprocated. With the crushes, so ano ba, kakausapin mo na ba? Kasi mananatili lang ba tayo nandoon sa ganong situation na hanggang tingin lang? No, kung third party situation, are we stuck in here? So what are you gonna do? Are we not saying anything and remain stuck forever? Or would you rather talk? Probably there might still be some enlightenment that needs to happen in here. But yes, nakakapagod, but it requires some talking, no? So, tingnan pa natin ibang cards. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong magtanong doon. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo patulugin ng yes or no lang na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code. Nandun po yung amount per question for your reference. If you want po to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. And if in case na gusto nyo po, no, i-take advantage of 4 questions plus 1, that's email question. That's discounted price na po, no? Speaking of doing some personal readings, if you would love, no, and wala naman kayong funds, sumali na po kayo doon sa ating pa-raffle, which I'm going to announce within this week sa Facebook, no? So don't forget to join the raffle contest for a free video personal reading, no? Ang announcement po nito is sa Facebook lang, hindi po dito sa YouTube, hindi po sa TikTok. So, bumalik na po tayo. You light up my world. So, I feel like there is still some inspiration in here. It just needs some alignment. Baka na-discourage ng kaunti. Let's check the message of the universe. It's time to hit the reset button. Clear out the old so that the room is available for the new to enter. Kung meron man tayong mga galit sa puso or galit, no? or inis, I think this clutter needs to be removed from our heart para meron tayong bago, no? And I think that we need to reset everything, no? Kailangan nga natin. So itong reading na ito is basically for me, kailangan ko ng reset, which is I think I need to refresh, no, something. Hindi lang ako dito nakakulong sa apat na sulok ng kwartong ito, no? Trust that there will be things coming fast. Prepare to move to the next phase of your life. This is your rebirth. Welcome to this beautiful brand new energy. You've got this. So it requires something to do. No, so it requires some actions for you to do. And this is a promise na meron pang mga blessings na parating. So, tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng yung person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces. Baka po Pisces ito, no? Um, yeah, so that's it. So this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.